those. When you do, I'll give you a second one absolutely free. Last night's sleep in the whole wide world is mygov.com. This is not retirement. Retiring retires, and I never get tired of it. Are you entirely prepared to retire? Plan your never retiring, tired of retirement. You can try.
I'm Invests, and as a vested investor invests, I invest with E-Trade, where investors can investigate and invest. Invests. Or not invest.
Yep.
Sign up at etrade.com and get up to $600.
Washington for Thanksgiving recess with a question mark hanging
Oh,
over their
girl.
leadership. Ohio Congressman Tim Ryan is challenging Nancy Pelosi for the role of House Minority Leader. He says the party must go in that direction, especially after the stinging defeat in the Rust Belt states such as Ohio, Michigan, and Wisconsin. So here to weigh in on the party's future, Michigan Congresswoman Debbie Dingell. We appreciate you coming on. Thank you very much.
Great to be here. Thank you.
You were very vocal after the elections. There were certainly some warning signs.
What are you
before
doing?
The election, and you said it happened in town halls and happened in really just small town America. I want to ask you, do you
For the last 18 months, I told people that Michigan was a competitive state, and quite frankly, by one of the kids at this, but that there was a big voice speaking loud
Hello?
for working men and women on the election day. And there's a
Hi.
large part of this country that just wants to be able to get a job. We've forgotten that they have less purchasing power.
Hello?
And a lot of people don't understand how many people are afraid whether their pension is going to be there. Seniors are frightened
Hello,
about their
pretty
Medicare.
girl.
So there are a lot of issues people are frightened about, and we need to understand that's in their hearts and souls.
how do you get there? How
Hi.
do you appeal to those voters? How do you change leadership from the top to bottom, especially
Hello?
when there's people who are critical that some of the leadership on the Democratic side of the aisle is perhaps an aging generation, and I say that respectfully.
I love
I'm
you.
not interested in changing leadership right now because I think every member of Congress has to be part of being
I love
and I think we're a
you.
very disparate caucus. And I can't just, it's not just the Midwest voice.
I'm
has
doing
to be heard,
fine.
which, by the
How
way,
are
it does have to
you?
be heard, but we have to bring all the voices together. It's not either me or you.
Hi.
It's us, it's me. And I do think that Nancy Pelosi
Hello.
understands that better. Steny Hoyer understands that better. But we need to
Hello.
also develop the next generation of leaders.
A couple more questions for you.
Hello,
Thank you so
pretty
much. We
girl.
appreciate you coming on the show. Thank you. Leland, what's going on?
Well, coming up, we're still monitoring the latest from
Want a
President
cracker?
Trump's golf course meeting with Mitt Romney. Live pictures from
Hello?
Evanston, New Jersey. You can imagine what's going on behind closed doors there. Back with more on that.
Hello, pretty girl. Hi.
I'm here in Bristol, Virginia. And now,
How are you? Oh, she said it.
on this side of the road is Virginia. And on this side, it's Tennessee.
Hi.
Which state in the country you live in? You
What's
can
going on,
save
Fluffy?
car insurance by switching to Geico. Look, I'm in Virginia. I'm in Tennessee. Virginia. Tennessee. And now I'm in Virginia. See how much
There are no girls around here, you know that?
or am I in Tennessee?
Hey. Hi.
If you have moderate to
Where you
severe
going?
psoriasis, isn't it time to let the real you shine through? Introducing Otezla, a Premolast. Otezla is not an injection or a cream. It's a pill that treats plaque psoriasis differently. With Otezla, 75% clear
Hi.
skin is achievable after just 4 months. With reduced redness, thickness,
Fluffy.
and the Otezla prescribing information has no requirement for routine lab monitoring. Don't take Otezla.
Fluffy.
Otezla may increase the risk of depression.
Good night.
Have a history of depression or suicidal thoughts, or if these
You want a cracker? You want a cracker?
Some people taking Otezla reported weight loss. Your doctor should monitor your weight.
You want a cracker?
Side effects
She
may
said it.
include diarrhea, nausea, upper respiratory tract infection, and headache.
You want a cracker?
Tell your doctor about all the medicines you take, and if you're pregnant
What?
or planning to be. Ask
How
your
are
doctor
you?
about Otezla today. Otezla. Show more of you.
Hello, pretty girl.